Unit 7, Lesson 4, Ordering Rational Numbers. Number 1. Select all the numbers that are greater than -5. All numbers to the right of -5 on the number line are greater than -5. I made a number line, and you can see that I placed the numbers on the number line. So all the numbers that are to the right of -5 will be greater than -5. -4, -1, 1/7, 1 3/10. So I circled A, D, E, and F. Number 2. Order these numbers from least to greatest. 1/2, 0, 1, -1.5, -1/2, and -1. So I made my number line. To the right of the 0, I have 1/2. To the right of 1/2, I have 1. To the left of my 0, I have -1/2. To the left of -1/2, I have -1. And to the left of -1, I have -1.5. Order from left to right on the number line, and the numbers will be in least to greatest order. So -1.5 is the smallest number in this group, and +1 is the largest number in this group. Number 3. Here are the boiling points of certain elements in degrees Celsius. List the elements from least to greatest boiling points. I'm going to list it with the least boiling point at the top and the greatest boiling point at the bottom. You could do it from left to right if you want. The smallest number on this list belongs to hydrogen. Its boiling point is at -252 87/100. So I'm going to put that at the top for my lowest boiling point. The next lowest boiling point belongs to fluorine. That's -188 1/10. So I'll put that just under hydrogen. These numbers are getting greater. If you were going left to right, the left side would be the smallest number, the right side would be the largest number. But I'm going top to bottom, with the smallest number on the top and the greatest number at the bottom. Let me mention that all these numbers are in degrees Celsius. They're their boiling points in degrees Celsius. So the next number on this list will be argon at -185 8/10 degrees Celsius. As these numbers are getting greater, the next temperature is krypton at -153 2/10 degrees Celsius. And finally, the highest boiling point out of all the elements on this list is chlorine at -34 degrees Celsius. Number 4. Explain why 0 is considered its own opposite. Opposites are equal units from 0. Example, 4 and -4 are both 4 units from 0. Since 0 is 0 units from 0, and 0 is neither positive nor negative, 0 is neutral and is considered its own opposite. Number 5. Explain how to make these calculations mentally. A. 99 plus 54. Well, remember, we're trying to do this mentally, so we don't have to use a paper and pencil or a calculator. It's easy to make 99 into 100. You just add 1 from the 54 to 99, and that makes it 100. So now you have 100 plus 53 equals 153. B. 244 minus 99. This one's a little bit different because we're subtracting. I chose to add 1 to each of the numbers, so I'm working with easier numbers. 245 minus 100 equals 145, which is the same value as 244 minus 99. It's just easier for me to do mentally without a paper and pencil. C. 99 times 6. I chose to make it 100 times 6, and 100 times 6 is going to be greater than 99 times 6. It's going to be one group of 6 greater than 99 times 6, so I have to remove one group of 6. So 100 times 6 is 600, and 600 minus one group of 6 equals 594. So 99 times 6 equals 594. D. 99 times 15. 99 is almost 100, so I'm going to make it 100. 100 times 15 is going to be one group of 15 larger than 99 times 15. And 100 times 15 equals 1500. Now we have to remove one group of 15 to make the value 1485. So 99 times 15 equals 1485. Number 6. Find the quotients. A. 1/2 divided by 2. 1/2 divided by 2 can be rewritten as 1/2 divided by 2 over 1. And to find the answer, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 2 over 1. 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. B. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. We don't need to overcomplicate it, but if you wanted to, you could write 2 over 2 or 2 divided by 2 to get the answer. C. 1/2 divided by 1/2. That can be rewritten as 1/2 times 2 over 1 because we need to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/2. So 1/2 times 2 over 1 equals 2 over 2 or 1. D. 38/79 divided by 38/79. Well, anything divided by itself equals 1, but if we wanted to complicate it, we could rewrite it as 38/79 times the reciprocal of 38/79, which is 79/38. 38/79 times 79/38 equals 1 over 1 or 1. Number 7. Over several months, the weight of a baby measured in pounds doubles. Does its weight measured in kilograms also double? Explain. Imagine the weight is X, or unknown, and it doubles in a month. Its weight doubled would be 2X, or 2 times X. So yes, the weight doubles no matter what the measurement is. Congratulations, you've completed Unit 7, Lesson 4, Ordering Rational Numbers.